Hey, it's Atif here, one of the SEO executives at Parliament. Today we are gonna study the issue of schemas that are being shown in the GSE. So if you are implementing the schemas and you are making some mistakes or something like that, then it will not work properly and it will be shown as an issue in the GSE, I mean Google Search Console, where we can track this type of issues. For example, if you have implemented the schemas twice, for example, there are two methods to add the FAQ schema. The first one is the rank math SEO plugin directly offer us to add the schemas, and the second one is we can generate schemas from instant schema and then we can add manually on our websites from here. So the thing is, when we are making some mistakes, then this type of schema issues are shown in the GSE like this. So over here in the sidebar in the FAQ section, if we can check the red one are the invalid schemas. We have made some mistakes over there, and those mistakes are, for example, duplicate field FAQ page. It it's saying that we have implemented a schema twice on the same page, and then another issue is missing field text in main entity accepted answer. So in the second issue it's saying like we haven't added the answer of that specific question. We have left that blank, and then we have added the schema too, and it's showing that we need that answer too in the schema. So these are the issues. What we can do is we can directly go to the issue, and from here we can get the pages wherever these are linked. So for example, if we copy this URL and then I'm gonna open it over here, then uh, editing it. So over here I will go to the facts section. The first one schema is found here, and it was saying like there are two schemas, so we can check from source code too, but here it is the second one schema. So now it's asking that we need only one schema, and the second what we will do is we will remove one of the schema from here or maybe from here. We can delete this too. And the second issue that we was looking at was the missing answer field entity. So for this, it is saying like we have added the schemas over here, and then we haven't added the answer of that specific question. For example, like this. So what we need to do is we need to paste the exact answer of that. Sometimes the Elementor doesn't allow us to add the answers in the built-in field, so we have to drag another text field over here, and then we are adding answers over there. So that type of schema shows us the issue of missing answer field. So what we need to do is we need to generate a manual schema, and then we will be adding both answers and questions over here, and from the FAQ schema option that is offered by rank math, we can uh, just turn that off, and then this will be fixed, because now in the schema that we have manually prepared, in that schema we have also added the answer fields. So that will cover that issue, and yep, that's how both of these issues are fixed. Publish the page and then go to GSC and go to that specific issue, and then after fixing all of the URLs that was shown here, then you can start direct validation at once. So click over here, and that's it. It will take some time to crawl the issues, and then it will remove all of those URLs one by one once these pages get crawled.